This assessment asks us to rationalize, in our own words, why, when an atom loses a proton, its formal charge is decreased by 1. For example, in the hydronium ion H3O+, oxygen has a +1 charge. When it loses that proton, it now has a neutral or no formal charge. Well, we can make sense of this by recognizing that this pair of electrons that are in the OH bond are now these two electrons that are on the neutral oxygen atom. In this case, oxygen is sharing 2 electrons. Here, oxygen gets both electrons to itself. If we think about what it means to share electrons, in some ways we can say that oxygen here is owning half of the 2 electrons that are here, meaning it owns one of them, owns in quotes. Now it owns both. By owning an extra electron, whose charge is -1, the formal charge decreases from +1 to 0.